Magic in the air. Oh, yes. If there is any magic on this earth, it is contained in water. Rightly said by Lauren. Yes, that's true. Our body is made up of 5 elements: air, water, fire, earth, ether. And water in our body is up to 70%. So 70% part of our body is water. So how important it is to talk about water and then the magic of water. And at last, at the end of the video, I'll tell you how to reprogram this water. And by reprogramming this water, how you are making your manifestation faster using law of attraction. Yes, so watch till the end all 3 steps of reprogramming water and reprogramming your subconscious mind. Before I start with water, I just want to talk about experiments. Simple example, like why we take medicine, like I have a bad throat or I'm having fever or there is a stomach ache. What we do, we know that there is a particular medicine, we go to the pharmacist and we get the medicine and we take it. Why we take it? Because a lot of experimentation is done with those medications on animals, on humans. For example, COVID vaccine, lot much experiments were done. When they were successful, then it was told that yes, experiment was done and it is safe to have, and what are the after effects. Same way, when we do experiment for anything and we observe the results, then we follow that thing with 100% more conviction. So that is why for water today, first I talk about the experiments, the entire science behind this, that why we need to recharge, reprogram our water, so that you will do this with more conviction, with more beliefs. Now, what is this experiment? This is all about the study done by Dr. Masaru Emoto. He did very simple experiment. He took 1 glass of water and he wrote the word fool. Yeah, simple word fool. Now, usually we use in our day-to-day life, how fool you are, how foolish I am, how foolish you are. So he wrote that word fool on that glass of water and put the sellotape on that and then kept that water in the fridge. And after few hours, when that water turned to ice, he observed the crystals with the help of microscope and lens. Then what he found, I'm showing you here the picture of crystals formed after saying that word fool. Then after some time, he again took another glass of water and he wrote the word compassion. And again, same thing. He kept it in fridge, observed the crystal and see how beautiful the crystals are. Again, another day he did example with written, I love you on 1 glass of water, I hate you on another. And we see the results. What kind of crystal formation is there? And these crystals are there for this much amount of water. Now imagine 70% of your body is water. Then what you say, what kind of water you drink, how your water is recharged, how the crystals of water formed, that kind of formation is happening in your own body. So watch from next time. I'm telling you, this video will gonna be very mind-blowing, and at night for couple of days you'll have this dream that, oh my god, what kind of water I'm drinking. So do more Google research on Dr. Masaru Emoto's experiment and find out what is actually happening with the crystals of water. But again, along with that, why not to experiment with your own self at your own home? Because when you do something firsthand with yourself, then you believe more. And this is the motive of my video today, that when you do it by yourself, you frame, you confirm with that belief that yes, it happens, and then apply it and then get the results like this. Now, how to do that experiment? Take a glass of water, normal plain glass of water, transparent, it's good. Then write on a strip, I love you. Take another glass of water, on that write, I hate you. Put both of them in your refrigerator for 10 to 12 hours, and after that, see the formation. Here I'm showing what my glasses have given me the result. Let me show you my glasses. Same glasses, same color of paper, same color of pen, same amount of water. On one I have written, I love you. On one I have written, I hate you, and I'm keeping them in the fridge, and let's see what happens. Even though I don't have any microscope or any lens, just by merely my naked eyes, I have seen, and you also can see what is the result with the glass where I have written I love you and where I have written I hate you. This is the magic of words. This is the magic of water happening in your life, and we are not aware of this. Yes, how this is happening, the entire universe is working on the principle of energy. I have energy, my words have energy, this water glass has energy, pen has energy, table has energy. So everything is made up of energy. Your words, your each and every word is having tremendous amount of energy. So when I said, I love you water, I love you, I'm giving that energy. And you have seen the after effects, the crystal formation after saying I love you, how beautiful the crystals are made. And that same beautification is going on in your body, which is 70% of water. Now, what this programmed water, recharge water is doing, when you said, I love you, beautiful crystals are formed. And how many crystals are there in your body? You know, we have 36 trillion cells in our body, 36 trillions, 36 followed by 12 zeros. These many cells, and in every cell, when 70% part is programmed by your words, the water you have, see how magically everything is happening. Law of attraction works from inside out. What is inside, that same thing you will gonna attract from outer world. So what you are creating inside, that is creating your outside reality. So by reprogramming our water, we are creating internal reality. We are motivating, we are giving a new picture to our inner world. And the moment our internal world is changed, external world can give us the result like this within moment of seconds, within fraction of time period. Only thing depends how we are programming and what is our intensity of recharging our water, recharging our subconscious mind, recharging our words. Now, how we recharge our water? Let's go to that. Water is the most powerful element on this universe. Water has the capability to be in all three states of matter: liquid, gaseous and solid state. And water has the amazing powers of consuming energies. See, you add sugar to the water, it consumes. You add medicine to the water, it consumes. You add any color to the water, it becomes that same color. So water has this tremendous power of consuming that same energy. So why not to consume it for our manifestations? Now, the technique I use for recharging my water and through that I reprogram my subconscious mind is SSS. Yes, triple S. What is that triple S? Now, the first S in that is smile. Yes, wherever you have a glass of water with you, give a big, broad smile. You know, smile is contagious. Anytime, like you look towards anyone with a smile, if you have a smile, that person will also smile. So whenever you have a glass of water, give a beautiful, big, broad smile to that water, so that water will have that amazing energy of smile. Second S, specific statement. Yes, be very, very specific when you are giving that statement to water, when you are drinking the water. Like if you want more money, so say, thank you water for giving me $10,000 weekly in my bank account, and then drink it. Be specific. Why I said specific statement? Because if you say, thank you water for giving me more money, for every person more money definition can be different. For Mr. A, it can be 10,000. For Mr. B, it can be 1 million. For Mr. C, it can be 100,000. So it depends what you want. So be very, very specific. Third S, sense of happiness. So whenever you have a glass of water, along with smile, specific statement, when you give that happy vibration, that sense of vibrations, because again, law of attraction works on frequency, vibration. When all these three are aligned and you drink this water, it creates magic. It completes your manifestations as early as possible for you. So by using this SSS technique, you had a glass of water, you have given a smile, specific statement in any area of your life. I have given the example of getting money. Then third, sense of happiness. When with all these three steps, anytime you carry a glass of water, keep this video in your mind and have a smile, have it. And what you are doing, you are recharging, reprogramming 36 trillion cells in your body. 70% of your body is reprogrammed, and then whatever you want to have manifest in your life, that can come to your life within a moment of second. If you like the video, aligned with all these ideas, like the video, share and subscribe the channel. See you